everyone, welcome to your PDR campus placement. So guys, if you are also preparing for campus placement interviews and Cognizant, which is a multinational American company, if this company is also visiting your campuses, this particular video is going to be helpful because I'm going to discuss about some of the important points related to this company which you must prepare for your HR interview. See, as a fresher, you're going for any company, right? They're going to be must ask you ki if you want to join us basically our company, what do you know about that, right? For which position you are coming, and are you aware about your roles and responsibilities, and lot more questions, right? So that question you can practice in HR sessions with your PDR mentors. We are looking forward to this. But for now, if I'll talk about Cognizant, this particular company, you must prepare some of the relevant points. Talking about team management, its important business verticals, core domain, its subfields also, its products and services, its mission, vision, lot of things are going to be, which is something very important to know. So let me tell you guys, what are the important pointers related to this company. First of all, for any interview you are going, this is something you need to prepare, which I have just discussed with you. Now, about this company, Cognizant, what are the important pointers you need to keep in mind while you are sitting in this interview of this company? First of all, this is an American multinational company which is related to IT consulting and outsourcing, right? Its headquarters in Teaneck, New Jersey, United States. Key business sectors कौन-कौन से हैं? That is IT services, consulting, digital transformation, digital services, IoT, right? BPOs, cloud, AI, and yes, business processing outsourcing, that is BPOs. ये इसके main जो business areas हैं वो हैं. So if you are from computer science background, you are from mechanical background or something like that, and if this company is hiring you, so you must aware about this key business sectors. Market position, you can say it out, that is $19.7 billion in 2025. Global ranking है, that is #24 in Fortune sector leaders for technology. ठीक है, listed in Forbes Global 2000 के list में है ये. So this is very important pointers to be noted down. Founder है इसके, basically it has been founded in 1994 as an in-house tech unit of Dune and Broad Street in Chennai, India. ठीक है. So spun off as an independent company in 1986. अब ये देखो over the years how it has been gone. ये first found हुई 1994 में, then इसको rename किया गया in 1996 at Cognizant and started serving external customer. ठीक है. Initial public offering conducted, then 2024 में acquired Trizeto Corp. ठीक है, healthcare IT service provider जो है, and this is in 2023 Ravi Kumar Singh appointed as an CEO of this company. So this particular information you must have. What are the important core business verticals? We have just discussed. Core businesses में it's related to IT sector, IoT, ठीक है, BPOs, outsourcing, cloud, AI, digital business and consulting आ गया, application services, cloud and infrastructure, internet, healthcare IT solutions, business process services, right? Then it comes to इसकी major services क्या है? Digital transformation services हैं, ठीक है, enterprise modernization, customer experience design, cloud services में आ जाता है, cloud consulting, migration management, artificial intelligence and analytics, IoT solutions, healthcare IT solution, BPOs, software engineering. So this is something with what it is doing as in its services part. Top management, if we'll talk, who is the chief executive officer? The major question always ki, are you aware about who is the CEO of our company? That is Ravi Kumar Singh City. Okay? He is the chief executive. Rest of the team member have been already written over, so you can have a look to that also. Chief financial officer likha hai Surya Company President Americas. So you must aware about like this. Current initiative. There are two important things for any company. Current initiatives, current news. These are two different things. करंट इनिशिएटिव ये है कि जो कंपनी ने इनिशिएटिव क्या लिए हैं विद इन इट्स इटसेल्फ कि वो अपने तरफ से क्या कर रही है, क्या कंट्रीब्यूट किया है उसने सोसाइटी में, या फिर आप कह सकते हो व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट इनिशिएटिव फॉर द वेल बीइंग ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयज और अ कंपनी इट हैज बीन टेकन ओवर. Current news is something they have been reached on milestones or something like that, very current issues, or they are going to be launch something new product. These are kind of things you must aware about Cognizant as well. So अगर we will talk about Cognizant, so current initiatives है digital modernization, client co-creation it has been created. ठीक है, it has been they are creating such kind of bond where we are handling clients in a systematic manner, right? And they are focusing on agile and flexible platforms to speed up business outcomes, right? Responsibility आ जाता है, right? Then at AI and data expansion, cloud and IoT engineering leadership आ गया. ये इसके करंट में है चीज़ें, ठीक है? करंट न्यूज़ जो हाईलाइट्स हैं 2025 की रिलेटेड टू दिस कंपनी और दिस सेक्टर, दैट इज फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट यहाँ पर गिवन है, स्ट्रेटेजिक हेल्थ केयर लाइक इक्वेशंस एंड AI प्लेटफॉर्म लॉन्च है, ठीक है? देन न्यू पार्टनरशिप एंड क्लाइंट विंस, ये भी इसने लाइक राइटर AI के साथ पार्टनरशिप की है इन जुलाई 2025 टू इंटीग्रेट AI ड्राइवन कंटेंट सॉल्यूशंस, राइट? सो दिस इज समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस, जो आपका 7th इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर जो आपको प्रिपेयर करना है, उसमें बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट आते हैं. फर्स्ट इज SWOT analysis, your hobbies, interest related part, your basic introduction, then some bits situational question, because campus placement में बहुत ज़्यादा situation question नहीं होते, but yes होते हैं. वो आपको ज़रूर थोड़ा सा on the spot like थोड़ा ट्रिगर करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि if you will get opportunities from 2 different companies, how are you going to be deal with that? So such kind of question you must prepare. Then organization based, your skill based question, gap hai if you have, so you need to prepare that. Experience if you have, even in the campus placement, but if you have done any internship or something, that you must prepare. So I would say prepare your introduction the very well. And the 3 important question, first of all, is what do you know about Cognizant? So you must aware this is an American multinational company, okay, whose chief executive officer is Ravi like Kumar Singh Sethi, right? And about which is like about what kind of service it is providing, you can add on to that. It has various core business verticals, that is IoT, I can say data analytics, cloud migration, consultancy services, all these things you can include in that, right? So these are basic pointers you need to tell when you ask that what do you know about this company. When it has been founded, you need to be add on this year as well, okay? इसके बाद second question, very important, why do you want to join Cognizant? In this, basically you should be aware about the goals of Cognizant, you should be aware about the main business verticals of Cognizant कि वो क्या कर रहा है, ठीक है? And then you need to align your objective with that, then you need to align your interest with that, ठीक है? If you want to start your career from campus placement and with such a big multinational company, so you must aware about कि आपको किस तरीके से अपने objective को उसके साथ align करने हैं, then only you can give a very confident answer, right? Then third one, I can say it out, yeah, like basically how will you contribute to Cognizant? So this is something कि in this you have to highlight your skills, technical qualification, technical skills and your soft skills too, ठीक है? Your ethical जो आपके ethics है, that also you need to be consider. So these are some 3 or 4 important factor you need to be contribute कि how you are going to be contribute. So वो आपको अपने आंसर में कंसिडर करने हैं, वो आपको अपने आंसर में प्रॉपरली फ्रेम करने हैं कि I want to like I'll be contributing in such a manner, I have strong technically sound expertise in my field, ठीक है? Good technical skills, good soft skills basically, and I have ethics related to business as well, and you can say industry. So I really want to contribute in this company because वो आपका personal interest भी होगा if you really want to join that, okay? So this is all about this particular company, and these are the important 3 HR questions you must prepare for every interview. Rest of the questions you can prepare with Yourpedia HR mentors, and we are looking forward to mentor you out. Please don't forget to take this documentation from Yourpedia panel and prepare for this Cognizant in a very well manner. All the very best. Good luck.